Hey everybody, happy Thursday. I wanted to get on here. We're going camping tomorrow, and I am almost out of my insect repellent, and I need to make some more. So I just wanted to show you how easy it is and uncomplicated it is. So Young Living has their own insect repellent that they came up with. My bottle got all chewed up last year from the dogs. But this is their insect repellent. It is an oil-based repellent, so it's like a lotion. But I like to basically take this and add it to a spray bottle and just squirt it on and rub it in. But the ingredients that are in here are, they use sesame oil as the carrier oil, and then the citronella, lemongrass, rosemary, geranium, spearmint, thyme, and clove. And then they also have vitamin E in here. I really, really like this stuff, especially for the kiddos. It's just really easy to put on. And then I also, once I have it on my hands and I rub it on their skin, I kind of just wipe down their clothes, and it doesn't leave any kind of residue or anything. But since I'm almost out of this, I'm just going to make my own out of the oils that I have. So this right here lasted me well over a year, and there's still plenty in this. I don't want to run out over the weekend, but this is $38.75 with your membership with Young Living. So a little pricey, but honestly, it's lasted well over a year, and I actually still have a bottle of it that I made in our camper too. So I really like this, but since I have the oils, I'm gonna make my own. So this is just a regular little spray bottle, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the oils in here, and then I'm just gonna top it off with water. But what's even better if you have it on hand is Witch Hazel or even vodka, because if you use those types of things, it helps the oils basically immerse through the liquid and evenly distribute, and so it's easier so that you don't have to shake it up before you spray it on every time. But I'm out of everything right now, so I'm just going to use water because it's easy. Now, if you wanted to, you could probably even just use a carrier oil if you wanted to do that, but I think it's just easier just to add water and just have a lighter spray, and then you can spray on over the clothes. So I have all kinds of oils over here that I'm going to use, and I'm just going to just start filling the bottle. There's no rhyme or reason. You don't have to have exact recipes. And if you want to have an exact recipe, you can. There's all kinds of ones available on the internet if you want to make one, especially on Pinterest. But, so I'm going to use Citronella. Citronella is free this month with your ER order if you do $100 or more or product volume. So this is free this month, which is perfect. Pretty sure I got this free last year, so it's still almost half full. So, and then I'm gonna use peppermint and spearmint, and I'm gonna add clove since they added clove to theirs. So I was like, might as well add clove to it, and then rosemary, lavender, and purification. Since purification has lemongrass, really, if you're just worried about your kiddos, you can just use purification, because purification has lemongrass, rosemary, tea tree, lavender, and myrtle. And honestly, since it has rosemary, I'm not going to put rosemary in here. But I'm still going to use my peppermint and other stuff. So I'm going to start out with purification. I love the smell of purification. Also, this bug spray smells good, so you don't smell like you have bug spray on, which is even better. So I'm gonna probably do about 20 drops. So I want it strong. And I'm not even counting right now, so we'll just keep on going here. I would say that's probably good. Purification is my #1 oil that I use for my laundry. I have wool dryer balls that I use, and then I just put a drop of purification on the dryer balls, and that's my dryer sheet basically. And then your clothes smell wonderful. So the citronella, same thing. I'm going to put a lot of citronella in, if it'll come out. There we go. Hi Betha, how are you? So we're just filling this up. I've been making my own bug spray for 4 years now. I've never bought any other bug spray, and it works. And then again, it's better for you too, since you're not getting all those horrible chemicals. Okay, let's do lavender. I will also spray this stuff on like chairs and stuff, or around our food table, since it's safe, and then that way it also kind of keeps bugs away. I'm almost out of lavender, and that is like a no-no in my house. I use too much lavender. See, that's like about gone. I had to find this little bottle. Good thing our ER order is coming. Okay, so clove. I'm not gonna put a ton of clove. Clove is a hot oil. It's in thieves, and so it is, if you put it on meat or anything, it's going to burn you. So you want to be very careful. I guess not burn you, but cause a burning sensation. I really like to diffuse clove in the wintertime. It smells really good with orange. Kind of reminds you of like an apple pie baking. Spearmint. Literally smells like spearmint gum. And then spearmint and peppermint have menthol in them, and so they will be, has like a cooling sensation. So kind of like that too in the summertime, because you put it on and it actually helps cool your body down. Okay, now the last one. You can easily just do this with Citronella, Lavender Purification. You don't need to have all these, but since all these oils are good to repel bugs, it's like, why not? It's not going to hurt you to put more in it than not. Okay. So you can see that's how much oil is in that. And then I will fill the rest of it with water, and then I will use it and just shake it up as I go. There's like a floaty thing in it. Oh, it's the plastic thing for this. Oh, that's funny. Must have broke off. Okay, so anyways, sorry I'm rambling. But yeah, so this is all you do. Fill it up with water, shake it up, and you are good to go. This will last me all summer, I bet, honestly. So that's how you make your bug spray for a third of the price of this. Actually way less than that. So easy to do. Let me know if you have questions. Have a great day. Thanks. Bye.